Hello dear friends, this is the phone support channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to tell you how to hide your Instagram stories from outsiders. You've put up a stories, and now you can restrict access to some people who won't be able to see your stories. You don't block those people will be able to view your account, but they won't be able to view your stories. So how can you do this? After you've set up your stories, you click on the stories icon. Here you press the three dots and click Story Settings. Now find the item Hide Story From. This item blocks access to the stories. Click on it. Here we see the search. In the search, we write the name of the account of the person for whom we want to restrict access to our stories. We select that person and click Done. We can get out of here, and now the selected person won't be able to see your Instagram story. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was phone support. Bye bye. See you later.